Hello everybody, welcome to Aerospace Matt. I am Matthew, and today I'm going to be flying this airplane. Now, this airplane originally was a $12 chuck glider that I got at my local hobby store. You can throw it, and it flies pretty good without any electronics. But because I like RC airplanes, I put in 2 servos for the elevator, 1 servo for the rudder, these are all 5 grams, put an Emax 1806 size motor right here, and a 12 amp ESC. The battery I use is an 850 mAh 3S LiPo, and this airplane flies pretty good, so let's go see it work. Well, that about concludes this episode of Aerospace Matt and this plane here. However, look for this plane in the future because I have a really cool and amazing next video, and that video is going to be using this glider quite a bit. So you can like this video and definitely subscribe for the next video because it's really amazing and I'm really excited to share it with you. So with that, I'll end this episode on that note, and I hope you enjoy it because I flew it down at Albany because I took a family trip down there and it was amazing. That sunset flight, that was my favorite flight ever of this specific aircraft. Matter of fact, it might actually be my favorite flight of any aircraft because it was at sunset and it was a beautiful flight. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.